Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome, and I would love if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there so you can be part of the beauty squad. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Fire, baby.
All of my friends are paid. I get that pay from VA. I tell my hajja I'm flossy, yeah. I get some bad, ship it overseas. I'm in Dubai, I don't need a visa.
For today's video, I wanted to bring you guys a realistic 10-minute look, kind of what I do on the days that I do wear makeup to work, or whether you're going to school or anything. This is my realistic look. I mean, this is my realistic makeup look. I don't wear falsies, I don't wear a lot. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. So I already did my eyebrows off camera because I wanted to give you guys a realistic 10-minute look, kind of what I do on the days that I actually wear makeup during the day, like to work or something. But I knew this was going to take a little bit longer than 10 minutes, so that's why I went ahead and I did it off camera. If you guys want to see an updated eyebrow routine, then go ahead and leave me a comment. And then to clean up my eyebrows, I just go ahead and I use the same foundation that I'll be using on my face. So for my everyday foundation, I go back and forth between like a stick foundation, concealer, and an actual liquid foundation. But as you all know, lately I have been loving the NARS foundation, so this is just what I'm wearing right now. I already moisturized my face using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face moisturizer. And for an everyday, honestly, I just use a little bit. I believe I used about 3 pumps of the NARS Radiant Foundation, and that's just to get a really light coverage. And I love this foundation because it's so sheer and so thin, and so you still feel like you don't have anything on even though you have foundation on. And then next I'm going to go in with the Born This Way concealer. And then next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. And that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in the next one.